guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make chewed up bubblegum slime. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pour your white Elmer's glue into your plate or your bowl and give it a nice pretty pink color so that it looks super nice like bubblegum, and then just mix it in until you get the desired pink color. So then here I am just adding some bubblegum scent. This is totally optional, but I like to do this to give it a nice bubblegum scent. And then I just continued with my activating process. So about halfway through the activating process, I like to add a few pumps of lotion, and this just makes sure that your slime is super stretchy and it actually makes the activating process a lot easier. So here I am just adding in some crushed up packing peanuts, and this is what's going to give it a nice chewed up bubblegum texture. Just add as much as you'd like until you feel that you have enough. Then once you have them in, go ahead and just mix them in. That is how to make chewed up bubblegum slime. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Love you all. Bye!